Hey nobodies. Hey nobodies. Hey nobodies. Hey nobodies. Corey. Hey guys. Hey. How you guys doing? Happy Wednesday. We got Nacho Wednesday. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and build my nachos with you guys. I'm going to eat a little bit, guys. I almost dropped them. We got the flaming hot Doritos. I got my sidekick. These all crunched up. Aiden. This gonna be good, y'all. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm gonna indulge today with this. Bless the food, Jesus. So we're gonna build our nacho, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. All is well over here on this end. Eddie, you gonna come say hey?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
We got some chuck ground beef. I should put my cheese on though. Ooh.
Hey.
Be careful on that light.
Hey.
You gotta come around. Come under the table right there, baby.
Hey.
Really? You ain't fooling with them today? I guess I ain't fooling with y'all today, y'all. Go tell Nye to come here, Aiden. I forgot my sour cream. Go tell Nye to come here. I have to have that sour cream, man. Without the sour cream, it ain't no nacho. Oh, this is a big old nacho, guys. Ooh, and it smells so good. I put some turmeric. I guess I'm saying it right. Turmeric. However you say it. And I put some cumin in here. It smells good. Can you give my sour cream in the refrigerator, please? In a small spoon. We got the cheese. We got the Doritos, cheese, meat. We're gonna put some cilantro, green onions, parsley, and somewhere in there, Naya. It smells so good, y'all. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We got some hot pico. It's supposed to be hot, guys. How you can get it back. And we're gonna put some light sour cream up on here. Oh, child, that's all I got. Never mind. And then a Lacona. I sure got some more. And then a Lacona up in here. Top it off with that Lacona. I got a spoonful for some more. Cause I might need a little bit more though. Okay. Ooh. Okay. We got that. That ain't the right kind of stuff. He picked it out. I should have read it. We're gonna top it with some spicy ranchero, guys. Taco Bell brand. And I got some pickles. Put some pickles right up there in the front. I don't know what's the deal with these pickles, y'all. Nah, I'm eat all your little pickles. Okay. Nah, I ain't eating them anyway. And guys, I got some of that extreme spicy sauce. Hot chicken flavor. Naya, come here. All right, guys. We're gonna pause for a minute. Excuse me. I'm back, guys. All right, guys. Let's say the blessing again. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for the food. Let it be a nourishment to my body, God. Bless my friends and family, God. Let your anointing flow, God. In Jesus' name, amen, 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 amen. I need me another light to go on this side. It looks too good not to. filled. I don't know my shirt and stuff.
Mom, I'm so hungry.
You wanna come around and say hi?
Well, I want your food.
You're not hungry, you just ate noodles, boy. I was trying not to buy no noodles. We went to the grocery store today. Put knife on there and I bought noodles, y'all.
But she
I got
has so
soup.
much food.
Take a bite, y'all. Y'all need to try it. It's good. Really good. Eating this.
People thought we was on college tours.
Hmm?
I'm waiting for them college tours.
Hmm?
I'm waiting for them college tours.
For the what?
College tours. That's the schools they were sending like
College?
yeah, like tour the campus.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna wait.
You go to South Georgia since you got some classes over there.
After we toured it.
You got a tour South Georgia
Well,
College?
not the full family, but because I wasn't in the right grade. You see that?
Yeah, you
They did
Tour
last.
that.
They did last year, but wasn't in the right grade. It was for like 11th and 12th grade.
okay. Mm-mm-mm. Now this is so good. Y'all hear that Noah that's Aiden playing with his balloon. Spider-Man balloon. Hey, damn.
Huh?
Stop, baby.
I want out.
Hmm?
I'm looking at my hand. It hurts. It hurts.
Stop, you hurt yourself. Stop. Move. Don't twist your hand like that.
Huh? What?
Be careful.
Okay.
Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all a bite of that one. That's good. ice got my nose running. No, I didn't. Hey, Aiden.
Huh?
Will you give me a bottle of water out the refrigerator?
Mom.
Out the fridge?
No.
Why? I'm thirsty.
Well, you can get your soda.
I don't want my soda yet, no.
Well, boy, like.
He want my Sprite, y'all.
Well, I want your Sprite. I can get it.
Mm-mm. I need a bottle of water.
Mom, I thought you wanted your smoothie.
Hmm?
You want your smoothie then?
Leave my smoothie alone. Get me a bottle of water right there.
Mom.
Bro, get my bottle of water.
Well, you said you don't want it.
Mm.
So I had it first.
Yeah, what first?
I had that first.
Thank you, Adam. Mm.
That would hurt.
Woo! That's good, Aiden.
No, it wasn't.
Woo. Yeah, I was so tired last night. We was in the bed by 9 o'clock. You full? Hmm? Just same for later. I'm gonna eat some later. CJ, I got my deal cartoon playing for him. Don't go in that bottle him. do one more bite, y'all. Stomach hurting. Last bite.
I did it. Very good.
Happy Nacho Wednesday. Did you guys enjoy that nacho? I did. It was so good. Woo. So good. Peace.
I was trying to bust them out.
You guys have a good day.